It's not loud enough.
Is your thing unhooked in the back?
Nope.
What thing?
The plastic, the rubber thing?
Tie.
Oh, yeah, it's already off.
Tie.
Yeah, it's already off.
Tie. Keep it like this.
I tried that. It didn't work.
Just, you can hear it.
We can hear it. I can hear it from back.
I can
Yeah,
hear it.
we can hear it. Yeah.
Shh.
It's so cool.
When it comes to health, you can't be playing around. The time for healthiness is right now. Join this class and you'll learn about your body. It's really fun, man. Try it and party. Your bones is one of the main things you need in your system. But there's a disease called arthritis and it kills your joint systems. Man, it's whack. Take care of your body and we won't been having problems, Jack. Eat right. Sleep tight. And you won't have any problems, alright? You won't see it coming if you're taken care of. Just remember to be good and stay aware of. Because if you don't, you'll be sorry. Just remember the health isn't always in the back you up when you're feeling foggy. It's true, man. Time run back to talk about health again. This little break. I can't think of anything else. Alright.
I like it. It's really good.
Welcome to health class, you're gonna have a lot of fun. This is the class that you learn about your body, son. It's true. Learn about bones and diseases. Health class is fun, no other way to beat it. Bones, diseases, structures, meanings. It's the main thing that'll make your life easy. There's no lie about it, just ask in our end. They'll probably show you the basics, man. Health, 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 class, health, health, health. Class, health, 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 class. Oh yeah, this is health class. This class is so freaking dry. If you want to go hard, then you gotta make the class stay alive. Learn about CPR, cancer, and different bone breaks that happens in your leg or something. There are compounds really simple and green sticks. Yeah, I'm not lying. I took this class, man. And I'm telling you, it'll be a blast. Hot. Think about it. It's cool. That's why health is there for you.
Oh, I like